Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by loading your clip into a read node and confirming frame range and color space. This prevents mismatches later. Create a roto or roto paint node immediately and draw precise, feathered shapes over the object so you can isolate it. Next, track the object using a tracker, planar tracker, or grid warp to capture motion. This gives your cleanup consistent placement. Once done, connect the tracker to your roto so the mat follows movement. Make sure to bake transforms to avoid slipping during long trims. With your mat tracked, generate a clean plate using clone stamp, roto paint, or by sampling from neighboring frames with smart vector tools. You want pixels that match texture and lighting. Create a merge node to composite the clean plate over the original using copy or over, then carefully tweak edge softness and mix to blend. Add temporal and spatial blurs to mimic camera and subject blur, and use motion blur or optical flow where necessary. As you work, scrub the timeline to ensure no popping or seam edges remain. You finish by rendering short test ranges rather than the whole shot. This saves time and reveals artifacts in motion-heavy areas. If you spot seams or drifting, reprojection with camera tracker or rebaking the smart vector often fixes geometry mismatch, and Poisson blending or edge cloning can hide hard seams. For color or exposure mismatches, apply a grade or color correct node to the clean plate to match luminance and chroma. Finally, play back at full speed to confirm temporal stability before final.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.